Hi everyone. From a box containing 1 red ball and 3 green balls, 2 balls are randomly picked, one after the other, and we're doing width replacement on this one. So we're going to draw a tree diagram showing the probabilities of each branch of the tree and answer these questions. All right. So for the first one, we're going to draw a tree diagram. So we're going to do green and red. So we have a total of 4. So the green is 3/4, and the red, therefore, is going to be 1/4. Remember, these two always have to add up to 1. Now we're going to draw again. We're going to put the balls back in and do this again. So green, red, green, red. All right. So if we put it back in, it's going to be the same. It's going to be 3/4, 1/4, and 3/4, and 1/4, all adding up. So there's the probabilities. If you want to get every single one, you just do probability of green, green, which would be 3/4 times 3/4, which equals 9/16. And then probability of green, red would be 3/4 times 1/4, which equals 4/16. You can reduce that if you want. Probability of red, green is the same, but just reversed. Again, that equals 1/4. And then the probability of red, red equals 1/4 times 1/4, which equals 1/16. Now the questions are, we did this, are the events of the second ball being red and the first ball being red independent? So what we're going to do for that is say yes, because the probability of the second red given the first is red equals the probability that the second is red. Okay, so the probability that the second is red is 1/4, and that's the same as the probability the second is red given the first. So these two numbers basically match up. All right, we're going to find the probability that both the balls are the same color. So I'm going to move on to a different slide, but the same color would be these two. And you just add them up. So what we're going to do is take probability of green, green plus probability of red, red. Now we already multiplied these, so that's just going to be 3/4 times 3/4 plus 1/4 times 1/4, and that's going to equal 10/16, which reduces to 5/8. And then the second question, or D, says find the probability that one is red and one is green. Well, the probability that's one, you can just look and do it the way we did it before. Just add those up. In fact, I can do that. So basically, you're adding these two up, which would give you 8/16. Or you could just do probability of not the same color equals 1 minus probability of the same color. So that's going to equal 1 minus our number we got here, 5/8, which equals 3/8. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.